You want to replace your old ugly shower head, but you don't have any tools. I got you. Check this out. Now, normally I'd say go get a pair of pliers or channel locks and lock it right on there and turn it to the left, and your old one will loosen right up. You get a lot of water, hard mineral deposits built up there, so this gets stuck. So maybe you don't have any tools, but go to your kitchen. Do you have one of these jar openers? These rubber jar openers, you can wrap that around and literally twist off your old stuck shower head. What about this? Again, in your kitchen, oven mitts, they have rubber grippers. With the rubber, you can firmly grab onto your old shower head and that will twist right off. Do you have a leather belt anywhere in your house? That is a good non-stick surface. You could wrap that around an old shower head and start twisting. Now, when you remove the old shower head, if the shower arm accidentally comes off and you're staring at a hole in your wall and think you've broken something, you haven't. When you stare into your shower wall, that's what's waiting for you. That's what it looks like behind the wall. So you're literally just going to take your shower arm with a little bit of tape thread and you're going to screw it right back in there. Now you're ready for the new shower head. Now, if you bought just the shower head, it's going to come with just that component, no shower arm. If you bought a whole set and it's aesthetics and you're changing the look, it will come with the new shower arm, and that's when you just screw that back in place. You do want to put some kind of Teflon tape or groove tape over those threaded grooves. You can call it either one, groove tape, Teflon tape. So what I do is wrap it around. You're going to go clockwise. So that's to your right as you're looking at the threads. And then 3 times is fine, and just pull it and snap it right off. Now, when you put your beautiful new shower head on there, if part of it's showing and it's ugly, you can just cut it off or pull it off later. Take your brand new shower head. Make sure the washer is still in there. That washer is from the manufacturer. If it fell out, you might have to replace it. And just like the Teflon tape, it's going to screw into the right. Let's talk about how tight to go with the Teflon tape in the grooves. You don't have to go very tight. Hand tight is fine. If you were to use tools at this stage, it would scratch and gouge your beautiful new shower head. So go ahead and go back to your first implements and just tighten it up by hand. So these rubber grippers will be fine. Now the shower arm should be pointing straight down. If you did have to reinsert that, make sure it's pointing down. If there was too much play there, you could pull it out and put on more Teflon tape and screw it back in. There, you've done it. Test out your new shower head. Look at the beauty. The water should flow clean and clear with no leakage behind at all. Hey, you did it. I knew you could do it yourself. Good job. With the Teflon tape in the grooves,